Our internet connection is not too good for this morning. Let's get this 3 pair. Ay, kumuha ka na, Papa Daddy? Okay.
Anong ginamit mo pang doon para umuela?
Banana. Naubos na yung banana dito. O, see? Bumili kami ng banana yesterday. Nawala na yung mga magagandang banana. Oh, let's go to mag-ano tayo. Bili tayo ng I need carrots. Let's go. Mega love shout out to our live commenter. We have Potato and John Paul. Hello. Oh, you're in USA. Mega love shout out to our live viewer watching right now from USA, John Paul Martinez. Mega love shout out to you. So we need this carrots. We have to get this carrots. Let's see. This one is too. Oh, there's a crack in there. That's why I'm checking this. I wanna make sure. Maybe this one is nice. So let's get this. Where is Dad? Where is Dad? Where is he now? Oh, bumalik siya doon. So the watermelon is on sale, but the price is $10.99, and it's still expensive. Look at this watermelon. Oh, paubos na rin, Dad. Oh, konti na lang. Daddy, nauubos mo ba ito? Yung watermelon. Nauubos din. Parang masarap ito, Dad, Dad. Parang masarap to,
Yan.
Ito, Bakal na. Bakala na, Dad. Ito, Yay! Got one watermelon. Thank you for the watermelon.
With no long-term commitments. Plus, enjoy the power of 5G with plans that offer amazing value. But that's not all. When you sign up, you'll also get 20,000 PC Optimum points after just 2 months of service. Don't wait. Head to the gift card rack and grab your PC Mobile SIM card today.
For the babies. For the babies. I need this. Naubos na ni Hana yung ganito, Dad. 10%. 10% off. 179 na lang. This is
Mexico ang ano kanyo.
yan. Sarap yan. Parang matamis.
Gatas pala.
Gatas. Anong gatas?
Yan ate.
Oh, yeah. Bakal kita. Honey. Pang giboning ice cream. Igwa duman ano? Igwapa. Okay.
Ang igwa na naman ano, kasaba?
Igwapa.
Igwa ka?
Igwapa duman. So, pang igado. Ay, ano pa pala? Patatas. Patatas pa. Patatas pa. Oh, naubos, Daddy, yung binabakal kong ano, naubos. Wala na, naubos na. I need potato. So, I love to use red potato. This one. Oh, maliliit na lang sila. Maliliit na lang.